In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced filters on Glassdoor. Let's make your job search faster and more precise by dialing in the results that actually match what you want. Start by opening your web browser and heading to glassdoor.com. If you have an account, sign in. If not, create one. Being logged in helps certain filters work better and lets you keep your settings for later. On the home page, begin a search by entering a job title, like software engineer, and add a location. If you prefer flexibility, choose remote where available. Then, click search jobs to load the results page. Once your results appear, look near the top or along the left side of the page. This is the filters area, and it's where the real power lies. You'll see options like salary estimate, company rating, job type, and more. We're going to apply these one by one so your list gets cleaner and more relevant. By the way, I've placed a direct link to Glassdoor at the top of the description so you can jump in and follow along. Start with the salary estimate filter. Pick a range that aligns with your expectations. This immediately removes roles that won't meet your needs and helps you focus on realistic opportunities. Next, refine by company rating. Selecting something like 3.5 stars and above helps ensure you're seeing jobs from better reviewed employers, which can save you time and headaches down the road. Choose job type to specify whether you want full-time, part-time, contract, or an internship. Applying this filter narrows the results to positions that match your schedule and employment goals. Use experience level to target entry, mid, or senior roles. This step aligns listings with your background so you're not wading through jobs that are too basic or too advanced. If available, apply industry to zero in on your field and company size to focus on startups, mid-size organizations, or large corporations. This is helpful if you prefer a particular work environment. Adjust remote and location settings next. Enable remote for work from home roles, or set a distance radius to control how far a job can be from your location. Now use sort by. Most relevant is great for matching keywords and filters, while most recent surfaces the newest postings so you can apply early. If you're logged in, save your search so you can quickly return to the same filtered results later without redoing the settings. Finally, open the listings that match and review salary info, company reviews, and benefits before you apply. And that's it. Thanks for watching.